This is John Kohler with DiscountJuicers.com. Today we're at the trade show for the industry, and I'm here to find all the newest and latest appliances and gadgets that allow you to eat more fresh fruits and vegetables in your diet so that you can get healthier. So why don't you come along with me, and we're going to check out some new products that may be out fairly soon. We're at the NUC booth, and they are the manufacturer of the Kuvings single auger vertical juicer. And you can see all the different colors. And I'm sorry for you guys that you don't want the pink version or the purple lavender version. You can't get it. This is only for display only, and it looks amazing. Actually, you know what? If you had like $1 million, I'm sure they'll make you one special in any color you want. So that being said, this is a brand new machine, a new vertical auger, different than the current models that are on the market now. So this model is being sold and billed as a silent juicer. So that's gonna be really interesting to check out and see how loud it is when I finally get to do testing. And it's also being sold as a more powerful juicer because it actually has a higher wattage motor. So I'm here at the Kuvings booth at the trade show, and these are all the different juicers they manufacture, as well as a whole range of other kitchen appliances. Now, they have been in business for 33 years in Korea, and they haven't really focused on the US market. And actually, here is one of their juicers they've been making for many years in Korea, and actually have been selling it in the USA for the last several years. In addition, they have a centrifugal ejection juicer. Now, you know what? There's many juicers on the market like these style, the horizontal single auger style machine, and the centrifugal ejection machine. We're not really going to talk about those because you know what? These are old school. You know, there's a brand new design that really, in my opinion, kicks butt over both these kinds. So let's go ahead and move these out of the way. So this is the all-new Kuvings silent juicer. Now, this one is not yet available. Once again, this is the trade show for the industry only. So you're getting a really sneak peek on what these juicers look like. And these will be in the United States probably in about 3 to 4 months, you know, depending on the different timetables. And that may be something to change. Currently, you know, the pricing is going to be very competitive with the current offerings in the vertical single auger machines. So the model name of this machine is the Silent Juicer. And this is basically a vertical single auger style juicer, much like the other brands that are currently on the market. There are a few differences. This one actually has a nice handle in the front. You should always pick up your juicer with 2 hands, that being said. In addition, this has a 350 watt motor, so that's more powerful than the other model that's currently on the market. You know, I have done some testing with this here. I have used it to juice some carrots that I had for dinner, some carrot juice, and it, you know, seemed to work all right, but I'll be sure to do a demonstration video with a comparison video really soon as I get a machine. Let's go ahead and take this apart and show you what it looks like on the inside. At first, they're going to introduce 2 different models. They're going to introduce the white color and also the silver color. And we can take this apart, really easy to unlatch. They have all the different open and close on the top. And here's just basically the top piece. Next, they have the auger. Once again, this is the GE Ultim auger, and this auger is a little bit larger than the auger on the current vertical auger juicer that's available in the United States. Next, they have the screen. Once again, this screen is made out of the GE Ultim material, 8 times harder. So there shouldn't be any breakages with this auger. The other thing I like about this new machine is the outlet port where the pulp comes out. This port is larger than the current machines on the market. In addition, you have the wiping blade assembly, and they give you a nice red color to accent the machine. I like the red color because, you know, it won't tend to show the stains as much as the white ones that are currently on the market. Next, of course, you have the main body of the machine. And basically you have the pulp flap that keeps the pressure on the pulp to make sure you get maximum juice extraction with the Kuvings silent juicer. So the other thing that's kind of nice on this machine is the juice comes out one side and the pulp comes out basically the back side. Whereas on the other machine, you know, they both come out side by side. So it's kind of cool. So let's go ahead and reassemble the machine really easy. We're going to go ahead and put this plug back in, push it all the way in. It's very important, you know, when you assemble the juicer to put this plug all the way in, otherwise it's not going to work correctly. Then we're going to simply put this on top of the machine, and you lock it into place. On the top here, there's basically an open and a close. You line up the red dot with the open dot, then you move it over to the closed position. Then you're going to put the wiping blade into the screen, followed by the auger. Very simple, very easy. And set this in there. Once again, you're going to line up the red dots. So they make it really easy. There's a red dot on top of the screen and a red dot on the bowl that needs to get lined up. Finally, just put the top on. Really simple. Once again, they have these dots. You can't mess it up, man. There's a little arrows, actually. You're going to line up the arrows. Line up the arrows, close it, and we're all assembled. That's how easy it is to assemble the Kuvings silent juicer. So be sure to subscribe to my YouTube videos so that you will get all the updates and see when I finally have a comparison of the Kuvings juicer. And once again, I know I'm going to get the question, John, when's that going to be available? John, is it better? Well, you know what? I don't know if it's better until I do the test. And be sure to subscribe so that you will be able to see that test once it is available. Currently, the pricing is going to be pretty much similar to where the other machine is at now, as well as the warranty and all this kind of stuff. And I really don't have any more details than that at this time. So subscribe to my channel. You'll hear more later. Once again, this is John Kohler with DiscountJuicers.com. Be sure to visit DiscountJuicers.com/YouTube for special promotional offers for our YouTube visitors.